Before there was light, before there were stars, before even time itself began, there was nothing. At least, that's what we think. The Big Bang is often called the beginning of everything, the birth of space, time, matter, and energy. But what if it wasn't the beginning at all? What if our universe is just one chapter in an eternal cycle of creation and destruction? A cosmic heartbeat repeating forever. For centuries, humanity believed the universe had a beginning, a single spark that created everything we know. But the deeper scientists looked, the more that beginning started to blur. In quantum physics, time itself may not be fundamental. It could emerge from deeper, timeless laws, meaning asking what came before the Big Bang might be like asking what's north of the North Pole. The question itself may not make sense, or maybe it hides a bigger truth. The Big Bang theory doesn't actually describe the explosion of matter. It describes the rapid expansion of space-time itself. If we trace that expansion backward, we reach a point of infinite density, the singularity. But infinities are where physics break down. They tell us not that reality ended there, but that our understanding did. At the smallest scales, space isn't smooth. It's a quantum foam full of uncertainty. From this chaotic field, tiny fluctuations can create temporary bubbles of energy. And some theories suggest our entire universe could have been born from one of them. A spontaneous quantum event that inflated into everything we see today. If the quantum vacuum can spawn one universe, why not many? In the multiverse model, every bubble of space-time could expand into a separate universe, each with its own laws, constants, and possibilities. Some physicists believe the universe never truly began. It simply oscillates. Expansion, collapse, birth, death, bang, crunch, each cycle wiping away the last, only to give rise to the next. The cosmos as a heartbeat pulsing through eternity. If we could rewind time past the first moment of the Big Bang, what would we see? Not fire, not light, but quantum geometry, a formless haze of probabilities and waves. Space and time themselves may have emerged from this primal uncertainty, not as creations, but as transformations. Before the universe, there was no past or future, no ticking seconds, no flowing river of time. But quantum cosmology suggests that even without clocks, change can still exist. Time may simply be the way we measure relationships between events, not something that flows, but something that emerges from the dance of energy itself. Then, from the silence, something happened. Energy condensed, space expanded, time began to tick. In less than a trillionth of a second, the entire observable universe exploded from smaller than an atom to larger than a galaxy. The universe didn't appear in space, it created space itself. So, what existed before the Big Bang? Maybe nothing. Maybe everything. Maybe before has no meaning at all. But one truth remains. We are part of a story far older than stars, written in equations and silence, and still unfolding across eternity. The universe may not remember its beginning, but through us, it remembers that it began.